Welcome to Rhymes Times Thoughts, an everyday guy, everyday thoughts, talking about random things in the past, present, and future. So tune in, and thank you for tuning in. Rhymes Times Thoughts.
Hey guys, I just wanted to do a little video of maintenance on your RV. Of course, my wife does a lot of the maintenance. She likes doing that. I guess it's another way of her getting out of the rig and accomplishing stuff, making sure our rigs are pretty clean. So I just do the yard. I know you're going like, yard? I just mowed the lawn just for the fun of it and sprinklers. But what we're actually discovering, we have a water softener. I will show you in a second. We also have the hoses that hook up to the water softener. And I don't think you guys really understand the importance to have a water softener or even filters that you might not be using, and you're trusting the water at the RV resorts. We're at French Camp RV, and we're starting to discover a lot more algae that you will notice that on a rig. So I'm going to show you guys what came out of our hose, so we kind of understand what's really going on. So let me show you something real quick what we discovered. So give me 1 second. I'll show you, switch the camera, let you guys see what we experience. Kind of baffles you in a sense. So here you go. We don't flip this back over. So here is, of course, our water softener that we use. You can see my wife is using some bleach. I mean, of course you want to be really careful what you put in your hose, right? We don't change the water filters. We have a couple of those. We have one built in the rig, but we also have one outside. You can see that we will hook up. But I'm going to show you a couple of things that will alarm you as alarm me. This came out of our hose. As I scroll down, you see that blackness. That is algae that came out of our hose. And you would say, oh, that's not bad. But as we're blowing out of all the hoses, we're starting to find it. But I'm going to walk you to a really one of the areas. There's my wife working really hard and so forth. But this is where the main hose came out of. And look at the clumps of algae.
Well, just in time, babe.
And you can see that came out of the hose. And this is our built-in water filter. It looks like it's not too bad this time, but it's still, you can see how bad it is.
Well, let me get a new one.
And
see what it's supposed to look like.
And so you can see last time it was really green from the algae, but we're getting a new one so you can see. But once again, look at that.
It is changing more often.
So we are starting to notice that, so we actually are changing stuff a little more. And think about it, this is going inside your rig. If you don't have a water filter and so forth, you can see. I mean, I don't know about you, but that's so enticing. And here's
is the new one.
The new one is on the left, and the old one is on the right. And we change it. How often we change it?
Every time I do the water softener. So
Welcome back. Welcome back. I'm sitting in my RV, enjoying life. Hopefully that video helped you. The algae built up. It's quite shocking, but you know, I think we all learn from other RV people who are full-time RVs, who do maintenance, talk to each other, learn from each other. But hopefully I kind of help you of solving the algae buildup in your hoses. I don't know, some people don't have water filters, softeners. I still don't get it. They keep on saying that they don't have any problems. I think when you don't have any problems, you don't see it. So how do you know you don't have it? So if you really think you don't need water filters, why don't you get that, do that old hose test, what me and my wife did. See if anything comes out of that hose. That might be a good test. But I will also in this was showing you a couple past filters that we did that was totally green, and other little things that you might want to look out, like maybe spray around your rig of home protection and stuff like that. It might help. But other than that, have a great one. Rhymes times out.